Hey everybody, this is David Skrika. So this is our Wednesday stock chart of the day. I'm changing some things around. Remember I was talking about gold. I'm probably going to wait just over a week to do my gold update. The reason being, I have an idea for what I want to do Monday next week as well. And so we won't have a stock chart of the day on Thursday. Oh no, actually I will, but it's going to be a fun thing. It will just be the two charts. It's not going to be a video. I will put that out Thursday. I'll probably make the two charts on Wednesday. So because Thursday is Thanksgiving, and I got a kind of a funny thing I'd like to do on Thanksgiving. So today we're going to do NVDA. We've talked about, I know this is an extremely popular stock. It's a hot stock. It's in AI, which is probably the hottest sector right now. So we look at NVIDIA. They had earnings today. I didn't do anything. We had a short position in NVIDIA. I actually made a little money in the NVDS on that trade, but then it went through after October when the markets didn't tank. I stuck to my discipline. I sold it. I probably sold it when the stock was, if I get a short-term chart here of NVIDIA, going back a month. Yeah, I probably sold it when NVIDIA was around 430, something in that range, and I that was probably about my entry point as well. So, and then maybe a little higher. It was maybe more like 440, 450. I'd have to check it, but like NVIDIA went right back to its highs, and it's basically flat on earnings. Their earnings quarter, I suppose, was it blew everything out again, but now they're tempering their China outlook. And then and it's just the stock is expensive. It trades at a huge price to sales, 120 times earnings, you can see here. And just like if you believe in technical analysis, is like I talk about, this is like a total parabolic curve in NVIDIA. So where is really the upside? Like I'm so shocked, it was a parabolic curve here, and I made money in 2022 shorting NVIDIA, but now it's like totally gone blown out. So I looked at it here and I was like, well, with this type of parabolic curve, like this stock could go to 600 on the upside, but I would say the downside is, 2 to 300. So if we get another sell off in the stock market, and like I said, with these problems that they're going to be having selling these chips in China, because they don't want China to get AI technology, because the government considers it strategic. It's going to be like really difficult for it. So anyhow, this is kind of a short stock chart of the day. I just wanted to show you NVIDIA. We go look at the shorter term chart if you want to see that here. You can see it hasn't quite broken this high yet. If it does, maybe it could just, if the market stays strong into Christmas, maybe it can continue higher here, but I don't have much of of an interest here. Kind of like this 200 was support here, and then NVIDIA dropped all the way to almost 100. You could probably, if you want to be really patient, maybe wait till it breaks 400. And if it did a similar kind of move, maybe it would drop to that 200 to 300 range. You can make a nice, 40 to 50% on your short. You could go long here as a momentum trade, but it'd be very short term here, in my opinion. And go look at NVIDIA. It actually peaked before the market peaked in 2021. It peaked more in like this kind of November, December period, actually kind of gapped up on the earnings here. And that earnings kind of ended up being the peak, right? So I'm not saying that's going to be the case. Of course, it's not gapping up right now, but that's basically it. So as well, like again, if we look at again, let's look at that you can see it's down about percent after market. So NVIDIA blowout earnings, but tempered expectations, really overextended technically and fundamentally. I know it's a big holding for a lot of people. I would just be careful. I don't like when either the fundamentals, EEG valuations, or the technicals start getting stretched that much. So everybody take care. It's like I said, this is going to be out on Wednesday. And then I'll have a little stock chart of the day. Just two charts for Thursday. Friday, I'll be having one in oil. And then actually Monday, I'm going to have a different theme. I was going to do gold and silver. I think I'm going to do that either later in the week or early the following week. So everyone take care. If you are traveling for Thanksgiving, have safe travels. So if you can't see the charts I'll be doing, on Thanksgiving, take care and be safe, and watch some football and have some turkey. Everybody take care, and I hope you enjoyed this video.